But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look. It's just a really pretty red look with some glitter liner. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, when I was editing this, I just saw this, and let me just say that if you're like watching this and you see those stupid fucking fake bags behind me and you're like,
oh my god, this bitch is so fucking like bougie, like what the hell, why is she trying to show off her bags?
First of all, I didn't even realize that these bags were behind me when I was filming this, and then when I was editing I was like, oh my fucking god, like why didn't I move them out of the way? Trust me, those are not fucking real. Those are some fake ass replicas that I have. I'm not that fucking rich. Actually, I'm fucking broke as shit, so just a little FYI before this video starts. So I'm just gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm gonna put it on my eyes as a primer. And I'm not going to set my eyes because I want the color to be vibrant. Since I want like a soft transition, I'm going to use that color first. So I'm just gonna take this in my crease. So now that I have the color that I desire, I'm going to, just taking the same brush, I'm gonna take this deeper red color and I'm gonna start building that color, and I'm gonna focus it more on the outer. I'm gonna go under, I'm gonna go in my crease and I'm just gonna put it underneath where I just put that previous color. So. And then once you have your desired intensity, then I'm just going to take this deeper red color in the Morphe 3502. And I'm going to put this color even lower in my crease. And I'm going to focus it on the outer V to the inner corner. And then now taking the Modern Renaissance, I'm going to take this deeper red shade, Venetian red, and I'm going to smoke it out even more. Just add depth so there's a darker color the cut crease can blend into. I don't fucking know why I was tapping that brush so hard. I could have just put less product on it, but no, I fucking put so much, and then I'm like, Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just gonna cut my crease. And then when I'm doing this, I'm gonna focus the concealer more on the inside so that when I get to the outer part, it'll blend way better. Take this color and the Morphe 35B, the white, and I'm just gonna set the concealer. Just gonna start blending the colors together in with the white, and I'm gonna start with the darker color and I'm gonna fade it into the lighter color. And then I'm gonna take this color. So now I'm gonna add a glitter liner. Use this Stila Magnificent Metal and Kitten Karma. I'm gonna take a small brush and I'm just gonna line where I cut my crease. So now I'm just gonna wipe off the fallout. This is how the eye looks so far. Lancome Monsieur Beige. I don't know, I just have the mini size, but I really like this mascara. I went to Trevor at the Townsend Mall at the Lancome desk at Nordstrom's. He's literally the fucking OG. He always gives us samples and stuff to try out, and okay, that took really long, but I put on the Velour lashes and the style Flary. I don't know if these are still like in stock. They're like really pretty fluttery lash. So bad at putting on eyelashes. As you can see in that previous thing, it was like there's like a fucking line.
So please don't make fun of me for that, because I know I suck. Thanks.
Switch it up. These two. Of course, the lights aren't fucking. I'm gonna put the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer on my nose and my T-zone. I really like this primer. I always put too much though. And then I'm gonna take the Too Faced Hangover primer and I'm just gonna put this on the rest of my face. So I'm gonna try out a new foundation. I feel like it's gonna be a bad idea because I have oily skin, but I've heard that this foundation's good. I'm so dumb. I just put it in like the spot of my beauty blender where like it's ripped. That's the only part I'm worried about is my nose and my forehead kind of, but like, shoot. That's when my hair's getting in it. Just gonna use a different concealer, even though I'm a full coverage bitch. I'm just trying out new stuff. So I'm using this Maybelline concealer. And I'm just highlighting my face. Now I'm using the Coty Airspun. Like at first I didn't like the Laura Mercier powder. Like I just didn't like how it looked on my skin. Then I tried it again. I really liked it. So this is still like one of my favorite powders. It's a really good drugstore powder. All over the rest of my face. That's fine. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Deep. And when I got it, I didn't look at it and it's broken. So
Oh my god!
I don't think I realized how bad I did my glitter liner. Oh my god, it looks so fucking bad.
Please don't make fun of me.
Ooh.
It smells so good.
I just tight lined my eyes and now I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes. This Rimmel Lash Accelerator. To wipe this bake off my nose. I just draw 2 lines down my nose. And I connect them in the middle. I don't know, I just really love how it looks. Now I'm just gonna take a brush and blend this out. It's the Becca Champagne Pop and the Wet n Wild one and Precious Petals. Ochre. I can't do that. Good. To switch things up, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Peach Mist. I'm kind of scared because, like, if you have this, you'll know that sometimes, like, if you don't shake it up enough, it will leave, like, dots all over your face. So I get so scared with this. Oh my god, I got some dots on my face.
I can see the dots. It's fine.
So I just realized I never filmed an outro, so I guess I'll just film it here. Thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me.
Thanks for watching.